Hello, this is going to be an unboxing video for some shipment that I got from Junk Food Clothing. At the end of the video, I'll give you a little discount code that you can use. So here you go. It's the box that it comes in. It's my information right here, so you don't need to know any of that, but there you go. Junk Food Clothing. Got something pretty simple, and I used my little discount code, so that was cool. It took about a little longer than expected to come in the mail, but yeah, it took about I would say about a week. So open it up. Yeah, this is what I got. Nice. Got a post Superbowl Pittsburgh Steelers t-shirt. The material is actually really nice. This is a large, but it looks kind of like a medium or something. So I hope this fits properly. Material's really soft. The tag, and I will put that discount code up there for you, so you can get $10 off your order. Alright, it's actually, the discount code is youre. That's all caps YOUNGER. So just type that in all caps in the promotional code, discount coupon, whatever, that little box that you apply the coupon to, and it should take off $10 from your order, and I will type that up there for you too. Alright, thanks.